Are you today flying?
Are you flying from the yeah, I'm taking the airplane out today. So, see you guys later. Yeah.
Welcome to Hollywood Burbank Airport.
Those of you I get a picture of you guys.
And you're right. Of course. So George's like, I'm not taking my mask off. You are, and then and if you'll use my photo or one thing, or Rob, probably
I want to do it.
Southwest is 20, 15 to 20.
I was hoping
All right, guys, here we go. Love those smiles. Okay, well, welcome. Thank you all for being here today. We're thrilled about what today represents for all of our crew members. We've put in so much time and effort and hard work to get to where we are today. Of course, while it's the end of one chapter, it's the beginning of the most important chapter of our journey, and this is where we start flying customers around the United States, and we couldn't be more thrilled to start today in Burbank. Hollywood Burbank Airport is long time one of my favorite airports to fly in and out of. We couldn't be more happy that we are here, and this is our first base, and flying up to Santa Rosa, California, a wonderful gateway to the wine country up in Northern California. Can't wait to get there. We're going to sample a couple different vineyards today while we're there, which is having a little special lunch with some invited guests. That's an airport I've had my eye on for about 15 years, and in a prior life we just didn't have the airplanes to operate in that airport. Now, obviously, with the 737, it works great, and can't wait to start this route, and we'll be looking to do that in just a few minutes. So, Avelo's purpose is to inspire travel, and today we begin that process of making it easy and convenient and affordable with everyday low fares for customers to be able to choose us. And apart from that, I hope you'll find that we have a soul of service. Our crew members are here to take care of our customers. I think you'll see that every step of the journey and whenever you interact with us. And over time, I hope that is the single biggest point of distinction that we bring into the marketplace. Today you'll get a chance, those of you who are on our flight, to experience that firsthand. Couldn't be more proud of the team that we've assembled, and all of our crew members are such a huge part of it. I do want to recognize a couple people. So first, let me thank the Burbank Airport Commission, and especially Frank Miller, who's the Executive Director of the airport. Frank, I don't know where you are, but Frank Miller couldn't be a better partner. We're thrilled, again, to be here. He and his team have been just outstanding to work with, and really looking forward to having a very long partnership that is successful for both of us. So wherever you are, Frank, thank you. I also want to recognize a gentleman who, there's a lot of people who helped make this day possible. I don't know where he is. There he is. So I call him a partner, and he's become a friend. But Nick Finazzo is over here taping. I want to recognize Nick because Nick is not only an investor in our business, but I bought the company from Nick back in 2018, and it was structured in a way where he took a lot of risk. But he bet on us, he bet on me, he bet on the team, and you know, hopefully we're beginning to show some payoff there for him. So I just want to recognize Nick. He was kind enough to come out and join us for today. So Nick, thank you for being here. So one of our board members, who I haven't seen yet today, I hope she's here, Anita Promoda. No Anita? Well, Anita Promoda is here. She's one of our board members. She's a big investor in our business. Also happens to be a very accomplished tech investor, entrepreneur. Also the chair of the board of the LA chapter of the San Francisco Fed. So quite an amazing woman. and I wish she was here, but I know she's going to be on the flight at some point. So Anita Promote is here as well, so welcome Anita. Teddy Cummings and Will Steenland of North Haven Tactical Value, there they are, our biggest investor. So, you know, we certainly wouldn't be here without their support. So thank you for being here, Will and Teddy. Looking forward to seeing you throughout the day. And of course, I want to thank all my fellow crew members, many of whom are on this airplane with us today, many of whom obviously are working at the airport. It takes a huge effort to do what we've accomplished so far, and to build an airline from scratch. It takes a lot of great people, and we have that in spades. So big shout out to all my fellow crew members. And I think that the most importantly is welcome to our customers, and thank you. Thank you for flying us today. And we hope to deliver a great experience to you all, and that you'll come back many more times, tell your friends and family, and we can't wait to get started. So thank you. I think we're going to cut this ribbon. And, let's see. Well, I was hoping to have one of our crew members join me for this, but I don't think he's been able to make his way up here. Well, he can't find it, so okay, well, I'll do it solo. There you go. Look up.
Look up.
All right. Ready?
Step back. Step back.
Big part of history on it. Sure. There you go.
Hello. Thank you.
They're like, yeah, we don't care that much. Like, you know, I mean, it's just like they're like, most of them are like,
Hello.
Morning.
Thank you.
Morning, Nick.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thanks.
Hello.
anyway, I'm Andrew.
Andrew, George.
I'm trying to see how bad the vacancy is. I'm trying to see how, sorry. Is that okay?
29.
So, welcome aboard, everybody, and thrilled to have you. It's great to see an airplane that's almost full. We're going to pack them in over time, but it's a great first day. I want to introduce you to our crew. We have a wonderful crew here. In the left seat in the captain's chair is Captain Tony Pipey. Tony is our chief pilot, and Tony's been here since when we bought the company. So Tony is at the controls. He is ably assisted by Captain J.D. Hagab, one of our next jet air pilots, if you know what that means. And then Captain Avelo Molina is sitting in the jump seat as the third pilot today. We thought we'd bring three today to celebrate. I'm going to also introduce you to our wonderful cabin crew, our flight attendants. We have here Audrey Lier, our lead flight attendant. Audrey has a lot of experience with another big airline, and this is now a lot more fun, and she gets to keep this thing off today with you all. But you'll be in great hands with all four of these these individuals. You are Jane here to my left. That's just joined us, one of the junior flight attendants. In the back, we have the Sylvie Sue, joined us back in the fall. Oh, hey, what's up? How you doing, buddy? And then George Stump. George, how are you? Great, George, and Sylvie, and you guys are all pretty good. So let's get out of here on time. Thank you all. Woo!
Exactly, weather is beautiful. We do expect to have a rather smooth ride, and please enjoy your flight. This is an amazing moment, and we're very, very happy to have every single one of you on board today. Now, please pay attention to our flight attendants. They have a very important safety message to share with you.
Angeles, Tony, Taipei. We ask those this time you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Also, please keep down clear of any carry-on luggage until we are safely parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. At that time, please check in the overhead bins and I can please for any personal belongings that you brought up with you. We ask that you use caution when opening the overhead bins as the luggage terminal shifts during landing. You have asked if you can leave items on board today while you go to your luncheon. Unfortunately, we cannot do that. The aircraft will not be attended by anyone. And it's kind of against the rules. Anyway, welcome to Santa Rosa, and we all hope that if in the future your plans call for air travel, you'll think of us here at Avelo.
Have a great day, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, welcome. Hi, welcome
Thank
to
you.
Sonoma County.
Where'd you want us to go?
I know, I am a woman, yes.
Hi, we're heading towards the buses outside, and they're in the north end.